We're going to talk today a little bit about quality improvement measures. And to start out with, we're going to talk about the PDSA cycle, or the Plan, Do, Study, Act. And within these cycles, it's exactly as the words indicate. So at first, you want to continue to identify something that can be done within your organization. So make an idea of what you think would work. Then actually go do that and put that implementation into practice. See how it works at your daily site. The next thing you're going to do is go back and study that and see, hey, did this work or not? After that final review, you're then going to act upon this, so whether you need to continue it or tweak it. And one example of a quality improvement that we can do, and even within a PDSA cycle, is an idea of a chart review. And this is all something that you guys have already submitted one form to me prior to this EBP course. And so I went through, and this is a chunk of the evaluation that you would see. And so I would either go through and say yes or not applicable, or no. And if you got a no, that is the feedback that you receive to be able to make those improvements. And so this is something that I have done for you on this one, but it's something that you can easily do. This is a form that is available, and if you go through and either do the checks on yourself or having coworkers come through and look at each other's, this is a way to keep each other accountable. And I talked about earlier that no one looks at each other's SOAP notes. So going through and making sure that you are hitting the different aspects of the SOAP notes and the chart reviews are very important. And so ensuring that this happens within your population is something that you can do to start improving people's medical documentation habits.